This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Engage the handbrake. As a precaution, place chocks each side of the rear wheel. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle's chassis and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis member. The coolant expansion tank is located at the front of the engine compartment. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Pull the engine cover upwards from its rubber mountings. With the engine cold, slowly unscrew the expansion tank filler cap and allow any residual pressure to escape. Set the heater controls to maximum temperature. Undo the 4 retaining bolts and remove the under tray. Position a suitable container under the radiator at the front of the engine. Release the clamp and disconnect the radiator lower hose. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the draining is complete, reconnect the hose and secure it with the clamp. Slacken the bleed screw on the top of the expansion tank and the screw in front of the left-hand cylinder head cover. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank. When air-free coolant emerges, tighten the bleed screws. Top up the tank to the maximum level, then refit the filler cap. Start the engine, run it at 3000 revs per minute for 1 minute, then allow it to idle for 5 minutes. Repeat this procedure until the engine reaches normal operating temperature. Then stop the engine and allow it to cool. Check and, if necessary, top up the coolant level in the expansion tank. Align the engine cover with its mountings and the oil filler aperture. Then press it down firmly. Refit the filler cap. Manoeuvre the under tray into position, then insert the retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.